Hi, here I'm explaining about the work centers and the routing, also the operations. So we do have now four work centers like extruder, pulverizer, rotomolding, and packing. So I'm just going to show how to create a work center. From the master data, there is work centers. We have to create new work center, or I will just explain the existing one. Here we have to give the work center name. I given as extruder, then code is there, total working hours of that particular work center, then alternative work center. If anything happened to that particular work center, we can use this alternative one. Under the general information, we have to add the time efficiency, capacity, all those things, then cost per hour as well. This will take into the calculation, the cost per hour. On the smart button, we can see the performance, load, and OEE, all those parameters. So this is how the work centers are defined. And so we defined as four work centers. So under the operations, under the master data, we have to define the routing as well. So what are the procedures taking place in these work centers? That is meant by routing. So in the routing, I just created two routing, like mixing and pulverization. So in the mixing, I can see there is a automated number is the sequence number, the routing name is mixing. Then what are the operations taking place on that routing? So I have added as mixing, work center is extruder, duration we have to put manually or based on the real time, and the start next stop operation, like if the operation is completed from the mixing center, then only it will start the another one. So that also we have to define, and the duration as well, that we already decided. If any nodes, that also we can define here. So this is how the routing's definition. So work centers we already created, bills of material we already created, and routing also we created. So in the next video I will show how to start a manufacturing order.